McKinsey just dropped a report. 50% of white-collar jobs vanish by 2028. Not 2035, not 2030, 2028. That is 375 million jobs globally. Gone. Goldman Sachs analyzed 18,000 roles across sectors. Their data shows 300 million full-time positions at risk in developed nations alone. Right now, Accenture ran the numbers on legal work. 44% of legal tasks automated by 2026. Already happening. Deloitte tracked accounting departments. AI replaced 40% of entry-level accountant roles in 18 months. One company, one sector. JPMorgan built Coin, reviewed commercial loan agreements in seconds, took lawyers 360,000 hours annually. Now it takes AI 24 hours. Your job exists in a vulnerable sector. Marketing analyst, tax consultant, junior programmer, HR coordinator. These roles are next. The automation curve is not linear. It is exponential. Every quarter accelerates the timeline. Companies cutting headcount to fund AI infrastructure right now. This is not future talk. This is happening today. You need a plan. Upskill into AI prompt engineering. Build automation expertise. Become irreplaceable by mastering the tools. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.